Hey everybody, what's going on? Boost Auto here. Today we're going to be installing our LED cargo light bulbs on 2014 to 2018 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500 trucks and 15 to 19 2500 and 3500 trucks. Let's get into it.
Are you looking to match the factory lighting of your truck with your Boost Auto products? Now you can with our 921 T15 style LED bulbs. Significantly brighter than your factory halogen or incandescent bulbs, our ultra bright LED bulbs fit a multitude of factory locations and are a great upgrade for better visibility. Don't let your dim, outdated OEM lights ruin the overall look of your build. Upgrade to Boost Auto's 921 LED bulbs for a serious upgrade in clarity and performance today. Just a quick note before we get into the install. The following procedure is for 2014 to 2018 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500 trucks and 2015 to 2019 2500 and 3500 trucks with factory incandescent center high mount cargo lights. If your vehicle is a different year range, head on over to boostauto.com for all the latest in fitment and availability and to purchase all we have to offer. Let's get into it.
Starting at our center high mount lamp assembly, we've got two T20 torque screws that we need to remove. Now we're ready to remove this assembly from the vehicle. You're just going to pull it back. You might need a trim tool. We've got this connector that we're going to disconnect. Just push down on this tab. Now we're going to take our assembly to a bench. All right, so I've got our center high mount lamp assembly on a bench. I'm going to go ahead and just turn it, flip it over to expose our connectors. For our cargo light bulbs, they're going to be the two outside bulb sockets. We will need to remove these. You'll twist them counterclockwise to detach the socket from the housing. Then you just need to pull these bulbs out of their sockets. Now we'll take our Boost Auto LED 921 bulb and insert it. Either way is fine. Now that they're attached to the sockets, we're going to reinsert the sockets into the housing. Just make sure you line up these tabs because they're different sizes and it won't seat correctly if you don't. So just like that. Once it's seated, turn it clockwise to lock it in place. All right, we'll reconnect our electrical connector and now we're ready to reattach the housing to the vehicle. You've got these two holes here that you need to line up the two tabs on this housing with. Once you have it lined up, we'll go ahead and reinstall our two T20 screws. Well, that about wraps up for the installation on this truck. If you're a fan of these bulbs, head on over to our website, boostauto.com, to check out all we have to offer for your build today, such as these S-Series cab lights or these Ion Series illuminated door handles. Once again, thanks for stopping by. We'll catch you on the next one.
The products shown in this video and so much more can be purchased on our website at boostauto.com. We're proud to offer a wide variety of products, parts, and accessories for your truck or SUV that will take your build to the next level. To watch videos like this one and to find out about our newest innovative products for your vehicle, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's all for now. We'll catch you on the next one.